For dialogue, we will have to prepare a big think tank, a great think tank. In that think tank, there should be good scholars who have power of communication, who have power of arguing, convincing. There was no force, there was no army when Pakistan came into being. Not with the support of any army, not with the support of any jihadis. There were no jihadis. Just one man army played the most important role, and that was Qaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah. His advocating power, his arguing power, convincing power made the British to be convinced that the Muslims want a separate homeland. We cannot conquer any land with weapons. Even Americans could not conquer with all of their forces. They haven't conquered any inch of the land. They just attacked and destroyed the countries.
Yeah, and spent trillions of dollars and destroyed their
We can take Kashmir, or the Kashmiris can take freedom from India with only dialogue. And for dialogue we should prepare.
But unfortunately,
we are not preparing for dialogues.
Yeah.
No one has spirit of dialogue. Everyone wants to kill or be killed.
Yeah, and that's not the solution. No one other than being killed is not the solution.
And the world is not with you on this issue.
Yeah, world is not with you. That's true. Yeah. That's true. And they have a strong lobby, and they have strong resistance lobby in Europe, in UNO, in America, in all other strong countries, right? And they are diplomatically they convince others, and they have at least convinced other nations that Pakistan is creating disturbance in their Indian occupied Kashmir, and they provide proofs at different occasions, and this makes Pakistan's argument more weaker and weaker.
Sir, disturbance तो अभी चल रही वहाँ पे सर, परेशानी में तो वो अभी हैं.